Hello children, a very good afternoon to you all. So here once again we are together with our second unit, that is A Soldier's Son by Shobha Ghosh. Let us know something about the writer. Shobha Ghosh PhD is the Associate Chairperson for Research in the Department of Internal Medicine at VCU Medical Center. She received her MS degree in clinical biochemistry from Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research before obtaining her PhD degree in biochemistry from the Indian Institute of Science at Bangalore. After completing her first postdoctoral training at the biochemistry at VCU Medical Center, she was appointed as an assistant professor in the Department of Internal Medicine in 1999, where she is now a professor of medicine. She is also a professor of physiology since 2008. She has published 48 papers originating from the research performed directly from her laboratory and presented her work at national and international conferences. In recognition of her research endeavors, she received DOIM Faculty Award for Distinguished Research in 2004. She has also published several limited review articles and book chapters. Her expertise is routinely sought by several journals, AHA to grade abstract for the annual scientific sessions. Okay children, look at the pre-reading activity. Read the passage given below at home and be ready to listen to your teacher's narration of it in class. Then answer her questions. The other day, I read in a newspaper about a brave act of a small girl. This girl, Amina, saw a child slip and fall into a sump. Without a moment's hesitation, she jumped into the sump. The sump was 6 feet deep and full. Look at children, you are also see the picture of a small girl and also a sump. So here what is the meaning of a sump? Sump means this is a what yes, a sump is an underground tank that is popular in our country, usually used for large water tank storage, can be built cheaply using cement like materials. So if I want to tell it in Kannada means ಹೌದು ಅಥವಾ ನೀರನ್ನ ಶೇಖರಿಸಿಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ನೆಲದ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ತೆಗ್ಗನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನ ಬಳಸಿ ಸೊ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹೌದು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. One more word is hesitation. Hesitation, it means in Kannada, yes, hinjarike. So in English it is meant pausing or doing delay. So what happens here? One day when the writer Shobha Ghosh, she was looking at the newspaper about a brave act of a small girl. So what was the name of that girl? That girl name was Amina. And when she was playing in front of her house, what she saw? She saw a child slip and fall into a sump. And without a moment's hesitation, so already I have told you the meaning of a hesitation. Without doing a moment's delay. She jumped into the sump, and that sump was about 6 feet deep. Amina is 3 feet and she just jumped, holding her breath and wildly kicking her feet. She somehow managed to throw the child out and then she climbed up. Both the mothers came running. Ramachandra's mother hugged Amina and dried her hair with the end of her sari. Amina's mother tended the gasping child. So here already in the last previous page we looked that that feet depth was about 6 feet. And what is the height of Amina here? So her height is only about 3 feet. So without thinking that she just jumped into a sump and she hold her breathe and by wildly kicking her legs, she somehow managed to throw that child out of that sump, and after that she climbed up. And after that, both the mothers means here Amina's mother and also the child. So here one name you can also see Ramachandra. The child name was Ramachandra. Yes, both the mothers came running. They rushed towards the sump and Ramachandra's mother hugged Amina and dried. She tried to dry her hair with her end of the sari. And also Amina's mother, she tended the gasping child. Lakshmi hugged Amina again and again and shed tears on her head. Both women are laborers in that building site. This is bravery. Now, the story you are going to read tells you about another kind of bravery. It tells you about a young boy's passionate will to save his country from enemy attack. The boy performs a deed of patriotism. So, what the story we heard, we saw of Amina. Hmm? So here one more name is there, Lakshmi. Lakshmi hugged Amina again and again. Who is Lakshmi here? Lakshmi, Ramachandra's mother. That small child mother. So she used to hug Amina again and again and shed tears on her head. Both the women means Lakshmi, the child of the mother of that child, and also the mother of Amina. Both women are laborers in that building site. Means that both women were laborers. Laborers ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಳಗ ಕೂಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರು, ದಿನಗೂಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವತ್ತಿನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಲಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಲೇಬರರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕೂಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. So what the Amina shows here, no, that is called as a bravery. Now in this second unit, which is titled as a soldier's son, now in this story you are going to read, it tells you about another kind of a bravery. Bravery, and as well as it will tell about a patriotism about of a small boy, how the boy performs a deed of a patriotism.